this is the series of exercises on breathing. In the first exercise you will learn how to breathe with the frontal line. When the sternum will come up, your rib cage will come out like this, and that's the most typical movement that we all think of when we say breathing, is go like this and out again. However, there's also a lateral breathing movement where your rib cage sort of opens up like this and closes back again. You have little muscles between your ribs, and they will allow for the ribs to go out and come back in and close down like this. So the lateral breathing movement is the second exercise, to make sure you don't just go forwards, but also you open up sidewards. And then the third exercise is to make sure that when you breathe in, you do not create too much tension in your lower back, but that by relaxing the lower back also, the air will also go into this direction. Okay? So the sternum comes up, this part lowers itself, and the ribs fan out. And the whole of this creates more space, and this is how you breathe in, and then you breathe out by doing the contrary movement. The next exercise then is to make sure you don't just concentrate on your rib cage or on your torso when you breathe, but you'll actually find that breathing even happens in your legs. Mostly you'll find that if you straighten your knees completely, it'll stop your spine from breathing correctly, and that you actually have to bend the knees slightly so that the breathing movement can go through the whole body. And once you felt that, well, you feel something that's true every time you think about posture. Good posture always happens in the entire body and never just in one part of the body. Okay, have fun.